What you said?
I promise I'll go to school tomorrow.
You have no choice. I don't care if you're bleeding to death. You're still going to.
Somebody.
You always think everything. You're not going to listen, so that's what happens.
Yo, you hear
That's
that?
it. You have it.
It's raining. Wait a second.
What's my name though? What's his name?
Look, help me. Help.
It's like
Comment down below if you see somebody, bro. It's like, what the heck?
no.
You heard that, bro?
Whoever
Just
said
comment
it,
down
go
below
away.
if you see somebody, bro. I don't know, bro.
Well, it's
Bro, it's raining too, so it's scary. She probably.
Yo,
What the heck?
hold up.
Wait a sec, bro. Help,
I
bro.
think I saw it from upstairs. Oh, yo. We found it in this paper. There's hope.
With blood?
Blood hope. Bloody man.
Alright, we're not joking, bro.
Right, yeah. Or you could. You would have stopped, like. We can stop?
Bro, just stop messing with my girl, boy. I don't know if you're a girl, boy, bro. Just stop messing with us.
Like, is there, like.
Okay, fine. We're a girl. We found you. No, we did it. But I'm about to hit you with this bat. I'm about to hit you. Joe, look at that. That's cool. That's so cool.
Yo.
Comment down below if you see anybody, though. Like, just comment down below, bro. Let's see if you see somebody, bro. I got a bat, which I throw at her. But I don't know if I throw it really at her. So, I just want to... But is there somebody here? Bro, I'm gonna get one of these and throw it at her and see this thing.
Yo,
Nothing's...
hey. Yo, run, Jared.
Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what?
Run.
She has... Ryan! Yo! I gotta save Kevin, bro. Bro, he even got... Yo, look at her. Bro! No!
Cut your heart off. Number 2.